U.S. Standard Products highlights the 7 types of hazards in a workplace. Number 4. Radiation hazards. Some workplaces deal with dangerous types of radiation. Some of the rays that may present radiation hazards include X-rays, gamma rays, infrared rays, and UV rays. Workers in such environments must wear specialized protective clothing, as some of these rays can cause cancer and other major health issues. Number 5. Psychological hazards. Some work environments involve high levels of psychological pressure, harassment, stress, public criticism, and other such hazards. The danger presented by such hazards can lead to high levels of psychological stress that could lead to medical conditions like hypertension or stroke. As such, according to U.S. Standard Products, it is of critical importance to identify and monitor psychological hazards in the workplace. Number 6. Biological hazards. Working in a science lab can expose workers to biological hazards. Working in a hospital, too, can expose health personnel to biological hazards. Biological hazards include exposures to viruses, bacteria, dangerous strains of fungi, parasites, and other biological specimens. Number 7. Electrical hazards. Electricity is used in almost every single industry. Because of this, electrical hazards exist in every workplace where electricity is used. Electrical hazards include electrocution, electrical fires, and power surges. All workplaces must have electrical hazard warnings, says U.S. Standard Products, whether it's an attorney's office or a power plant. U.S. Standard's final thoughts: safety first. Every worker should know this by heart. No matter what the situation, safety always comes first. Although it is difficult to have a perfect safety record, because accidents do happen, says U.S. Standard, teaching and reinforcing safety standards is paramount to helping an organization reduce incidences of these hazards and others.